Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set movable toolbox on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here go to the third section, the appearance settings, and you can find the first option, the movable toolbox. If you want to turn on, just click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled. If you want to turn on off, just click that circle again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.